it's April. I can show you this splash screen because I don't have all of the items that are in this mystery box. It's true March Madness. We have a Halloween mystery box, and I want you guys to take a look at what's on your screen because that's what's in this box. I had a couple of the things, but I didn't have them all, because I use all of my stuff up. So I just wanted to come over and cover what was in this box with you. You have a roll of black everyday iron-on, and you have a roll of everyday iron-on in the neon orange. You also have a pack of the glitter cardstock, and that's in the classic sampler. It has the blacks, whites, the oranges in it. Very, very pretty set. It also has I think it's like a cream color in there, but 5 different colors in that cardstock. Right now, glitter cardstock's hard to get, so this is a bonus. Also, you're going to be getting not 1, but 2 premium fine point replacement blades. This is the blade that you want to use in your maker machines and your Explore Air machines. Love these blades. Next, you're going to get a premium vinyl. That's the permanent vinyl in pearl metallic neon orange, and that's going to be a 12 by 48 sheet. You're also going to get in the permanent vinyl, you're going to get a roll of black, a roll of orange, and those are going to be permanent 12 by 48 sheets. Then in the removable, you're going to get premium vinyl in black, orange, and white. Those are 12 by 48 sheets. And you are also going to get that multi-pin set in the black. It's 5 pins. So super, super great mystery box here to help build up your stash, guys. I can't stress that enough. It's very important to have things on hand so you don't have to run out for every project. And we use a ton of black and white, and the orange you can use at various different times for school teams, for Halloween, for fall. So there are lots of uses for the orange as well. If you need help using it, please shoot me a message. I'm happy to help you come up with a project where you can use that stuff. This box is on sale for $49.99. It has a retail value of $103.90, so that's a great deal. But if you have access, you do not have to have access to get this box, guys. You can grab this. If you have access, your access is going to discount at either 10 or 20%, whichever it's eligible for. And it is also, if you add something to that cart, it will not apply to the cart now, but whatever you add to your cart, making that total subtotal go over 50, you can use the group code CraftHappy and save on that item with the group code. So make sure that you're taking advantage of that. And thank you to Cricut for the March Madness and all the mystery boxes they've sent us this month. It is awesome. And I will catch you on the next video. Happy crafting!